Hello everyone, this is part 2 of multiplying whole numbers and fractions. Today we're going to look at larger whole numbers. So let's start with our first example. Our first example is a word problem. It says wild parrots spend 1/6 of their day looking for food. How many hours a day does a parrot spend looking for food? So let's do some information gathering here. So we know that it's 1/6 of their day. We want to know how many hours do they spend looking for food. So we need to write an expression. The best way to write the expression is to think about the unknown. We don't actually know this yet. That's not in our problem. So how many hours are in a day? Hopefully the first number that came to your head is 24. So what we're looking for then is what is 1/6 of 24. 1/6 of 24. We're going to start, I want to model this. Rather than me drawing 24 ones, we're actually going to do one bar model here. So this whole bar model is going to equal our 24. 24 hours. And then we're going to divide that 24 hours up into 6 equal parts. And as we see in our problem, we're looking at just what is 1/6 of that. So I'm just going to color in this 1/6. So what we're really asking is what is 24 broken up or divided by 6, broken up into 6 parts. Okay, so if we took 24 and we broke it up into 6 parts, we would see that we had 4 in each part. So this here represents 4. Another way, so this is the modeling, another way we could have done this is looking at, well, 1/6 multiplied by 24 is the same as 24/6. And then we could have simplified that, and just like we did here, 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. So these two are equal to each other. So example number 2 is just going to be an expression, and we are trying to find what is 2 multiplied by 4/5. And remember, we can also think of this as what is 4/5 of 2. So again, let's break this down into a bar model. So we're going to draw our bar model, and we're going to say that this bar model is equal to 2. Okay? And then we're going to break our bar model into fifths. So we're going to do, and we're trying to find 4 of these. Okay, so let's actually look at this a slightly different way. We're going to say 4/5 multiplied by 2. And kind of an interesting thing here is if we put this over 1, because that's how 2 would be written as a fraction, now we can look, okay, well, this is also the same as 8/5. This is a improper fraction, so we would say this is also equal to 1 3/5. So all together, this would be 1 3/5. Okay, everyone, it's time to do your practice. Head over to your assignment and choose from your menu options for your independent practice activity. Happy learning!